In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Exness. To get started, head over to your Exness personal area and sign into your account. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts, wallet activity, and payment options. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account area before continuing, especially if you manage more than one trading account or wallet. Next, look for the withdrawal section and click on it. This will open the page where Exness shows all available withdrawal methods. The layout may vary slightly depending on your region or account type, but the overall process remains the same. From the list of available payment methods, choose Bitcoin, or in some cases, cryptocurrency. This option is what allows you to transfer funds from your Exness account to an external Bitcoin wallet. Be sure to select the correct crypto option so the withdrawal is processed in the right format. After that, select the trading account or wallet you want to withdraw from. This is an important step because the funds will be taken from whichever account you choose here. If you have multiple balances, double check that you're using the intended one before moving on. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. As you do this, make sure the amount falls within Exness's minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. If the amount is too low or too high, the platform may not let you continue. It's also a good idea to review the displayed amount carefully so there are no mistakes before submission. Next, carefully paste your external Bitcoin wallet address into the required field. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Bitcoin transactions are generally irreversible, so even a small error in the wallet address could send your funds to the wrong destination. For best accuracy, paste the address directly from your wallet instead of typing it manually, and always check it more than once before proceeding. Once everything is filled in, review all of your transaction details. Confirm that the selected account, withdrawal amount, and wallet address are all correct. If everything looks good, click Confirm to continue. Finally, Exness will ask you to complete a verification step. You'll be prompted to enter a verification code sent to you by SMS or email. Enter that code to authorize the withdrawal and complete the process. After submission, your request will be processed, and the transfer time may depend on network conditions and Exness processing times. And that's how to withdraw Bitcoin from Exness.